Here are the most common car seat mistakes and how to fix them. I'm Jacoby and I'm a CPST-I. The number one mistake I see is parents not reading the car seat manual. But your car seat manual has everything you need to know about your specific seat and the seat's limits, how to install it correctly, and how to harness your child safely. Your vehicle manual is also worth a look. It tells you which seating positions are approved for car seat use and any vehicle-specific restrictions. When you have installed your car seat base, you want to check for movement at the belt path, less than 1 inch of movement front to back and side to side. When checking, use moderate force, not all of your strength. Always check at the belt path, which is closest to the point of installation. If you have a loose installation, it's important that you start from the top. The most common installation mistake I see is parents using both the lower anchors and the vehicle seatbelt to install their car seat. In almost all cases, this is actually unsafe. You use one or the other, not both. There are 3 common harness mistakes I see all the time: chest clip placement, strap height, and strap tightness. For the chest clip, it should always be at armpit level. For strap height, if your child is rear facing, the strap should be at or just below their shoulders. Forward facing, it's just the opposite, at or just above. And for tightness, do the pinch test at the collarbone. If you can grab any of the webbing, the straps are too loose. Tighten until you cannot pinch anything. Finally, don't rush through car seat transitions. Stay aware of your child's growth and your car seat's maximum limits, and make sure you allow them to reach those limits before graduating to the next step. Follow your manual and check every time.